Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable model watermark in your Itel A26. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Itel A26 and you are wondering how to enable model watermark. In order to do that, you need to open your camera. For example, if I open my camera, if I'm taking any picture and after take that picture, if I go here preview, I will notice that picture there is a not appear model watermark. Now you might be decide to enable model watermark. So in order to do that, you need to click this, open the camera icon, open the camera apps, and then click this gear icon. After click over there, you can easily turn on this model watermark. If I'm going to turn on, if I go back and then if I try to take a picture now, if I see the picture, I will notice now that picture is appeared the model watermark. You can see it's saying to shoot on Itel AI dual camera. You can see if I take another picture, also same things. If I go here the preview, I will see there's appear the watermark. So it in this way can easily enable model watermark in your Itel A26. Now you might be decide to turn off model watermark. In order to do that, you have to click again here this gear icon and you can easily turn off model watermark if you want. So this way you can easily enable or disable model watermark in your Itel A26. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.